Hey everyone, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we are going to creating and drawing a different figures called if you want to create a circle, how you are going to be creating. Till now we have seen the lines and angles, how to turn the shapes and all. For the circle, how you are going to be prepared. See, it's a very simple and easy way. There is a ready-made method which is called circle is available in Turtle. We'll see here. So this code I am removing here and I'm putting like a turtle dot circle. Sorry, it's not clear. CIRCLE, and the radius of the circle we have to specify over here 60. So save it and run the program. Wow, it's creating a circle. Awesome. So similarly, if I want to create one more circle, how I can show, like see tur turtle dot forward of some around 20 and making turtle turtle dot circle, and the same like I may give like different size, otherwise it overlap. So save this and run the program. See here, wow. So the same way, if I want to put more circles, I'll take the copy of these lines and paste here. Save it and run. 1, 2, 3 circles. If you need more circles, what you do? If you need more circles, what you do? Just simply we'll put this code in for loop using range method. What happens? Let's see. For I in range range method using like 10, I am applying for range. With the indentation purpose, we need to move this code from till this. Okay, now let's see how many circles will come here. Quick. Yes, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See, you can create wonders using for loop and turtle diagrams. I really promise you to create more and more with the help of these for loop statements. Alright, see, it's creating a new pattern here for the design. Inner circle, outer circle, inner circle, outer circle. I have shown you like on introduction lectures to creating something more interesting. So we'll see. I'll show you an excitement of other than square, we have something like I may call it as like a triangle. Where is triangle? Yes. See, I'm taking this triangle program. Let's check it. Like inside the for loop, I'm adding this triangle over here. And after finishing the triangle, what I am doing, like turtle dot RIGHT, right? I am making like around some 20 or 10, whatever it number. So let's see like what happens with the triangle. For the same thing will repeat it, no? So these 3 are not required. Yes, these 3 are not required. So let's see what happens. I'm not getting very clearly. Let's see first. Let's see. Okay. See, automatically it is creating something. So it is a 10 now. It's creating something like I'll put it as 100. So run this. Yes. Go quickly. Go and create a new star pattern. Yes. Awesomely it is creating. Have you seen here? Or if you want to make it turn around somewhere else, also you can put. Think it and prepare new patterns as you wish to create in Turtle program. I wish you good luck. We'll see more colors how to add for the circles in next lecture. Thank you.